I can take a situation that's preoccupying your mind that you're resenting and having difficulty sleeping at night and identify what specific trait, action, or inaction do you perceive this individual displaying or demonstrating that you despise, dislike, or hated most that you're resenting. Identify that, have you go to the moment of the perception and ask, what's the upside? Because you're conscious of the downside, unconscious of the upside. If I come up with the upside of that, and I have you keep looking for the upsides, because everything has got two sides, and come up with the upsides. This thing you think is terrible, you discover the terrific in it. You think is terrible or evil, you find the good in it, whatever you want to call it. And you balance out that equation, the intrusive thought disappears. And you enter into a altered state, a middle path, you might say, where you're poised and present and back on purpose and not distracted. The same thing on the other side. If you're really infatuated with somebody, I can have you identify what specific trait, action, or inaction do you perceive this individual displaying or demonstrating that you admire most, that you look up to most, that you think is positive most. And then I ask you in that moment, what are the downsides?